Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel IT Info. So, today our topic is how to manage user accounts in M365 and how to manage user accounts on PowerShell. Let's continue. And topics we will cover today are user account state. We will check the user's account state by using the Exchange Online and the PowerShell. We will use add, delete, and restore method for user accounts via PowerShell and the Exchange Online. We will restore user account from PowerShell and we will purge user account from PowerShell also. Um, let's go to the Exchange Online first. So this is our panel. You can open that panel from admin.microsoft.com and after that you can enter your credentials. So first, you can click on user. So you will see four active users, contacts, guest user, and deleted users. So let's first talk about active user. So in active users, you will see the users which belongs to your organization. For example, I have created three: IT Infra, IT Info, and IT Dev. So IT Info is my global administrator account and IT Dev and IT Infra just a user account. So if you want to add a user, click here, enter the name IT Rack. IT Rack will be the username. Uncheck this, enter the password. If you want to automatically create a password, you can create it. So click on next. If you want to assign a license to a user, click on the license and click on next. Optional settings, in this option setting, you can assign a administrator role. We will discuss about all these role in our next video. So let's click on continue and check everything. If everything is looking good, you can click on finish adding and the account is created. Close this. Okay, as you can see, the account is created. And if you want to delete this account, so you need to click on this, check the account. You can delete the account from here, or you can click here and you can delete the account from here also. So click on delete user, and once you click on delete user, after deleting the user, the license will get unassigned automatically. And the mailbox and the user will get contained in deleted users for 30 days. So after 30 days, all data will be erased and the Microsoft will unable to provide you the data after the 30 days. Until the 30 days, you can restore the mailbox from the deleted users. And once you restore the account or the user, the license will not get assigned automatically. You need to assign the license manually again. Okay. So if you click on delete user, first it will unassign the license and then it will delete the user. As you can see, license unassigned, Microsoft 365 Business Standard and user account is deleted. Close this. As you can see below, the account is disappeared from here. So let's move back to the deleted user and check. As you can see here, there are two accounts that are showing deleted. First is IT Rack and the second is IT Dev. So if you want to restore this account, just check here, check the user and then click on restore user. So if you want to auto generate password, so the password will auto generate it. If you want to change the password when they first sign in the user, then you can check this or either you can select the password, and after that share it with the user. Restore the account. Okay, the account is restored now, and we can move to active users and just refresh the page, and you can see the account is back. So if you want to assign a license, just open the account, go to licenses, select the license, save changes, and the license will get assigned. So this is the user states for user account state for Exchange Online. I have shown you how to add, delete, and restore user from an Exchange Online from an admin panel. And now we will check all the status from the PowerShell, and we will restore user account from PowerShell after deleting. And we will check, we will purge user account from PowerShell. It is same to restore the account. So let's move ahead and open a PowerShell. So if you want to get all the users in PowerShell, you will use command get mg user. Now on, we are using mggraph to perform a PowerShell scripting. You can click enter and the account will appear. So accounts are IT dev, IT info, IT infra, IT rec. Okay. So if you want to remove a user from your tenant or from your Azure Active Directory, so you can use this command, remove mg user, click enter, and you need to enter the ID of the user. So copy the ID from here, paste, and see the account is deleted. So if you want to see the deleted account, you can use the command get mg directory deleted item as user. So if you click on it, as you can see, the deleted item is showing the user which has been deleted. This user has been deleted previously from my end, so that's why it is showing 2. So now if you want to restore the account which is deleted, you will use this restore mg directory deleted item, and you will copy the user ID from here and click. Either you can just select this object ID, paste here, and the account is restored. So if you move ahead and select get mg user, you will see the accounts. So that is all for today. So I have shown you how to add, delete user from the admin center and how to restore account, and I have shown you how to check the user, how to remove the user, how to recover the user from PowerShell. So if you like this video, please like. If you have any query or any doubt, you can comment on the same and I will reply back. And if you want to continue learning and if you want to learn, please subscribe the channel. We will upload videos. So thank you and have a nice day.